So the first thing you want to do when you're making these easy bake cookies is to preheat the oven to 325 degrees. You want to take your cookies out of the freezer and open the package and sort of get them ready to put on the tray. Grease the sheet with cooking spray and then wipe off the excess with a paper towel. You can arrange the cookies on the sheet, and you want to make sure that you put them with a good distance apart so they don't stick together when they spread out and bake. And then once you've done that, you can just put them in the oven. So I set a timer for 10 minutes, but then you kind of just want to watch them to see how they're looking. So when you think that they're ready to come out of the oven, you can pull them out and make sure that you use a towel or some type of, like an oven mitt if you have it, just to make sure you don't burn yourself. And then you want to let the cookies cool. I put some sprinkles on them. I picked purple and silver for Northwestern colors. And I like to dump them out in my hand and then sprinkle them that way, just to get an even coat. But some people just throw them straight on from the sprinkle shaker. Make sure you get a chance to try it, and then once you've had as many cookies as you want, then you can go ahead and serve them on some type of serving tray.